In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3210 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, you would be able to see a search bar here. Please type for Epson L3210 printer driver and hit the enter key in your keyboard, and then that way you'll be able to see a list of results. Now please proceed to the first one under epson.com. Okay. And eventually you'll be navigated to a new page where you can download this printer driver. Don't worry because I'll be including this link at the description box below so you can copy and paste it here at the address bar. Okay. So by that, the moment you are being navigated here, wait until you'll get to see a drop-down menu below where you can select your operating system manually. Once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on the Go button so that you can refresh the page and you'll get to see the list of drivers. Okay, so once it's here, you need to scroll down and there you can see drivers. Click on that one. Then you can see the printer driver. Click on this download aligning to it, and eventually you'd be navigated to this new tab where you can agree on the license agreement before you can download it. So click on accept, and then that way you can now start the downloading process. So to check the download progress, you have to go with the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Just check the download progress here. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait until the downloading process would be completed. Once done, you can see their folder icon. Click on that one, and in that way you'd be able to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it. Click on this cat icon, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool to extract this one. So please go with WinRAR and go with extract to L3210 and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you'll be able to bring up the settings window. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left side of that, and there you can see an option called Bluetooth and devices. Once done, please proceed with the printers and scanners. There you can see it. Click on it. And here you'll be able to see an option called add device. Click on that one and wait until you'll get an option where you can manually add the printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and you'll be able to see this window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. So it could be one, two, or three. Click on the next button, go with have this and click on the browse. So since and here at the desktop, scroll down and find the extracted file. Once you find it, you need to select and double tap again, double tap. And here you go, you'll be able to see three drivers. Select any of that. Click on the open, click on the OK button, and there you have it. Just have to click on next and please rename that. In my case, I'll be setting Epson L3210 as the printer name. So go with the next button here and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be completed. Okay, so once completed, click on the next button here and go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the Epson L3210 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.